Good morning students, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have started solving the evaluate part of lesson water on the earth. Yes, in the previous class I have solved part A, fill in the blanks, part B, choose the correct options, and part C, match the following. Okay dear student, today I am going to solve this all 5 question answers. So these question answers you have to take down in your homework book. Okay dear students, so take down group D, answer the following. Okay, question number 1 is explain the source of water. Explain the sources of water. Explain the sources of water. So answer is rainwater is the natural source of water. Rainwater is the natural source of water. The rainwater fills the areas on the ground like ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, wells, seas and oceans. Some water goes under the ground. Some water goes under the ground. People use hand pumps, and tube wells to take out the underground water. Question number 2 is why is the earth called blue planet? Why is the earth called blue planet? Earth is known as the blue planet because major part of the Earth's surface Earth's surface is covered with water. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, dear student. So question number 3 is why it is important to use water carefully. Why it is important to use water carefully. So while water is a lot of there is a lot of water present on earth, water present on the earth, only a small portion of it can be used. Some of it is frozen, some of it is frozen on the mountain peaks, while much of it is salty. Therefore, it becomes important to save water and use it wisely. Yes. Now question number 4. What is rainwater harvesting? The process of collecting and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be collected in tanks and wells. Okay, now question number 5 is explain the process of water cycle. The sun heats the water present in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. Hot water takes the form of water vapor, and water vapor goes up in the sky and forms clouds. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The water returns to the water bodies on the ground. This continuous process is called water cycle. Okay, dear student, so first question is explain the sources of water. Here rainwater is natural source of water. The rainwater fills the areas on the ground like ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, wells, seas and oceans. Some water goes under the ground. People use hand pumps and tube wells to take out the underground water. Question number 2 is why is the earth called blue planet? Earth is known as blue planet because major part of the earth's surface is covered with water. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Question number 3, why it is important to use water carefully? While there is a lot of water present on the earth, but only a small portion of it can be used. Some of it is frozen on the mountain peaks, while much of it is salty. Therefore, it becomes important to save water and use it carefully or wisely. Question number 4, what is the rainwater harvesting? The process of collecting and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting, and rainwater can be collected in tanks and wells. Question number 5, explain the process of water cycle. The sun heats the water present in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. Hot water takes the form of water vapor, and water vapor goes up in the sky and forms clouds. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The water returns to the earth or water bodies on the ground. This continuous process is called water cycle. Okay, dear student. So take down these all question answers in your homework book. Dear student, once again I will send the photocopy of this question answers, because on the board writing I hope I thought it is not clearly clearly seeing. So because of this, once again I will take the photocopy of question answers and I will send it to you. But then also you have to copy these all question answers in your homework book. Till here the lesson number 5, water on the earth, completely completed. In the next class I will go to the new lesson. Thank you.